Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of Zebronics Yoga 90+. These are wireless neckband and they come in blue in color. So let's get started. Now this is Zeb Yoga 90+. These are basically wireless neckband earphone and these ones are blue in color. So let me take you through of all the features that are mentioned on the box. Like they come with Bluetooth 5.0, that means you can easily connect them with your Android or with your iPhone. Plus you have voice assistant support, that means you can give commands, and then you have the driver size 10mm. It gives a good immersive sound experience, and then you also get a 10-hour playback time. So that means once you charge them fully, you can play them for 10 hours at a go. Now some other features on the side of the box that I mentioned are, it has magnetic earpiece, that means when they are not in use, when these are just hanging around your neck, they get connected. Plus you get this metallic earpiece, there is call function. Then you have dual pairing, that means two phones can be connected with this wireless neckband. Then you also have this built-in rechargeable battery, Type-C charging, and it is splash proof. Now that's again one of the benefits that you get. Now all these color options are available. These are available in red, yellow, green and blue, and currently the one I have in my hand is blue in color. So let's open the box. So this is Yoga 90+ wireless neckband. You can see it's quite flexible. It's made of silicone plastic which is quite soft, so you won't feel anything once you wear them around your neck. And then you can see the Zebronics branding here. These you can see are blue in color, and these are the earphones. There is silicone cap here and some extension here on the side, that means they will fit nicely into your ears. Now this is the neckband, extra ear cups, so you don't have to worry about these. Plus there is a charging cable, Type-C charging cable that you get in the box. This is the user manual. So it says about the features, how you can use them, what all you can do with this. Like it talks about the Bluetooth version, it has 5.0. Then it talks about the battery, the talk time that you get, it is for 10 hours, and all the features. So this was it in the unboxing video of Zebronics Yoga 90+, blue in color. You get the neckband, you get some extra silicone cups, you get the charging cable, and you get the user manual. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.